everybody. This is Miss Forster, and for social studies today, we are going to move from talking about objects and things from the past to people and people of the past that have made a difference. We're going to start learning about biographies, but we're going to start by talking about an autobiography, or you could say it's writing your story. If we look at the root words, like the parts that make up the word autobiography, auto means about me. Biography means a story about a person's life, telling about their life. So what do you think auto plus biography would mean? Me, a story about a person's life. That's right. Autobiography means a story about your own life. You tell your story. So you start by thinking about important events and when they happen. And I'll just give you an example of my own story. In 1970, I was born in Waukegan, Illinois. 1975, I started kindergarten. 1987, I graduated from high school and went to college. 1992, I got my first teaching job at Ellis School. 1999, I got to go to San Francisco, California to learn about new teaching programs. And in 2020, I became a virtual teacher from my house, teaching students on iPads instead of in a classroom. So that's just an example of some of the important events in my life. When I was born, and a lot of those events talk about school because I'm a teacher. So lots of my important things in life are related to when I was teaching and things I did as I was teaching. You can make a timeline of your life, and I'm going to show you lots of examples of kids that have made timelines. See, in the first one, from when she was born and things that happened right up until now. She took a trip to Disney World. She rode a horse. In the second example, we have a timeline over a couple of months of things that they have done as a class. Here we have a fun timeline where the girl is holding a balloon, and she starts from when she's born, her first pony ride. She helped a bird. She had a cat. She took lessons. She rode a two-wheeler bike. So just important events. She put them all on the string of the balloon up until she got to today. Here's another timeline that shows from when this person was born to the time that they got a job when they were 16 years old. Shows important things about learning to ride a bike, going to kindergarten, a vacation to a beach, got a new car. The second one shows a timeline of important things in history. Shows somebody hunting in a river all the way up to an airplane. When you get in high school, you're going to do timelines about important events. Timelines are part of a biography because they tell us about the important things that happen in someone's life. Here's a timeline that you could make showing the date you were born, times that you did important things, important information about your life. The second one, the girl made like a shell of a snail. And see, in the middle it starts when she was born, and you follow round and round the timeline of Ava's life. So now it's going to be your turn, but you won't have to do a big project like those kids did. What you're going to have to do is on Seesaw, you are going to do a poster just to help us get started. And here are the pages. You could use emojis, you can use words, you can use pictures, and you have to write your birthday. Maybe you could write the names of the people in your family. Here you could draw a little picture of yourself or put a picture. Here you could draw a picture of your family or put in a picture. Some words about your pet. Draw a picture of your pet. Your favorite hobbies or things to do when you're not doing schoolwork. A picture of your favorite hobby. Your favorite color down here. Your favorite foods, your favorite restaurants, your favorite movie, and here maybe just the names of your friends. This is just meant to be an activity to have fun, to get us thinking about our autobiography. That means the story about you. Have fun.